Those people who put their trust and their faith that God is their protector and their cherisher and sustainer and caregiver. And then, ثُمَّ اسْتَقَامُوا. And then, remember what we were saying in the first khutbah, they keep on the straight path. See the point? They keep on the straight path. And if they don't know what is the straight path, they ask those who know what is haram, what is halal, and what they should do to keep on the straight path. Allah is saying, this is not Shaikh Shafayat opinion here, please. This is the Quran. You can hate me, but don't hate the words of Allah. You're going to have serious consequences. Don't hate the words of God. Don't disbelieve in what God says. It will come back to haunt you. And this is very serious. ثُمَّ اسْتَقَامُوا. Allah says, and then they keep on that straight path, staying away from what is haram and doing what is right and what is halal and what is good. And what happens to those people? A long list of things God says. Who do that? Who use the Quran to keep on the straight path. Allah says, تَتَنَزَّلُ عَلَيْهِمْ. Then Allah sends down upon them al-malaika. Yeah, hear what Allah says? People who keep on the path, Allah sends angels to be your guardian angels. This is the Quran. Allah says that He sends down angels to protect you, to be your guard. You know, people talk about the guardian angel. Well, Allah is talking about that here.